Hey, it's Marko, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to block no caller ID calls on your iPhone. So what you want to do is open up your settings, and before we continue, please subscribe to the channel. Then you want to scroll down until you see phone, and then scroll down again and click on silence unknown callers. If you turn this on, calls from unknown numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail and displayed on the recent list. Incoming calls will continue to ring from people in your contacts, recent outgoing calls and Siri suggestions. Basically, if somebody is not in your contacts already, they won't be able to call you because their call will be automatically denied. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.